Hello! It's time for hey, another Woof-Box. Feel like we just did one, but maybe it's because I had it like over a week. I had it like over a week before I opened it, so we'll see what we don't go knocking the camera. Okay, what we have? Stop trying to climb. Oh, okay. There's something. Hey, like this. There's different. I think these are food, because the backside is like really close. Well, we are not changing our food, probably because we can't get that until now. Okay. First thing, it's groom time. Oh, it's a rubber brush. Hey. It's nothing to eat, and it's not a toy. See? Not a toy. It's a groom brush. Let's try. What about you? Get your nose out of it. Hey! Don't go. We are brushing you right now. Oh wow, that actually... Don't! That actually works. Yep, that's pretty nice. I don't have fulminator, that's the only brush I have. Okay. Should I take the toy or the treat? Well, we have a toy. It's a gong whoopa that they probably will destroy in a second. Can I take the plastic band off? You want it? Of course you want it. Bye! Oh, so sweet! That wasn't a clever choice. What? Another kebab. We got kebab last month. I think we're gonna skip them now. If I remember correct, someone threw up after eating the rawhide kebab. Then we have a husky. It's gentle meat snacks. Let's try this one. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. Scissors. Hi, Tara. Did it open now? What? Hey, you are not helping. I hate these packages that say got here and it doesn't work. Now get down. Istu. Go down. Tomi, istu. Istu. Tara. Nemi. Tomi, istu. Istu. Luna, istu. 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 Here. Ugh. Doesn't really smell good. How are those dental treats if you eat that fast? Wait. Another chocolate bar? We still have the old one left because can't really feed much chocolate for the doggies. I mean, it's not like human chocolate, but still. Another. Ooh. So this is what they had on the sheet. Focus. Don't lick my hand. Why do you not want to focus? Here. Nutri-Health. Lamb and rice. So this is like real dog food. With a package that I can't open. Oh, it's just this. Get down. Istu. Istu. These are small. Get one. Get one. You. And Domi. Oh, hey, it's for Domi. Ta-da. Ew. Slimy hand. Apparently good. So it's triple allergen. Nick. Adult dog food. You're not adult. And then the last thing on the box is the salmon skin juice. Which is super annoying package because it's always 3. We have 4. What I'm gonna do? How do we share? I think I'll go find something for one dog. Nope. Be right back. And we are back. I really didn't have anything that matches the salmon skin juice, so one gets into here. I don't know if they... someone... Okay, we'll take that. Let's see how this one ends. Oh my god! You're serious. Go eat it. This really doesn't look really good, you know. You have to bake there. You have to bake there. Well, that was the box this month. Pretty good. Only thing, not a fan of rawhide. And we still have chocolate left for the last one, so... But anyway, they do last a year, so I'm not in a hurry. Anyway, I was thinking, this was a nice one. We haven't gotten much... Have we ever gotten anything for grooming or anything? I don't think so, it's always been a choice, so... I really like this one. They don't destroy it in a second because I want to give it to them. So hope you enjoyed this month's Woof-Box, and we keep on chewing. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you next time. Bye!